Which one is big? Elephant or mouse? It's elephant! Amazing! Who is very small? Ant or hippo? Yes, ant! Excellent! Which can truly fly? Bat or bird? It's bat! Great job! Who is a giant? Whale or goldfish? Yes, whale! Well done! Which sleeps for years? Snail or bear? It's snail! Incredible! Which one is tall? Giraffe or cat? Yes, giraffe. Perfect. Who is a tiny pet? Hamster or cow? It's hamster. You got it. Which has 3 hearts? Octopus or shark? Yes, octopus. Brilliant. Which one is heavy? Hippo or rabbit? It's hippo. Amazing. Who is a little jumper? Frog, horse? Yes, frog. Excellent. Which changes its color? Chameleon or snake? It's chameleon. Great job. Which bird is big? Ostrich or sparrow? Yes, ostrich! Well done! Who is a tiny bird? Hummingbird or eagle? It's hummingbird! Incredible! Which sleeps standing up? Horse or dog? Perfect! Who is a small crawler? Caterpillar or tiger? It's caterpillar! Amazing! Which has a pouch? Kangaroo or goat? Yes, kangaroo! Great job! Which is a big cat? Lion or kitten? It's lion. Well done. Who is a small climber? Squirrel or elephant? Yes, squirrel. Excellent. Which has no teeth? Anteater or wolf? It's anteater. Perfect. Which is a big fish? Shark or shrimp? Yes, shark. Incredible. Who is tiny and red? Ladybug or flamingo? It's ladybug. Great job. Which has a elephant or rhino? Yes, elephant. Well done. Who is a small flyer? Bee or ostrich? It's bee. Excellent. Which is big and striped? Tiger or zebra? Yes, tiger. Perfect. Who is a slow, small animal? Snail or rabbit? It's snail. Amazing. Which has blue tongue? Giraffe or bear? Yes, giraffe. Great job. Which is a big swimmer? Dolphin or crab? It's dolphin. Well done. Who is a small hider? Lizard or camel? Yes, lizard. Excellent. Which has a horn? Rhino or monkey? It's rhino. Incredible. Who is a little squeaker? Mouse or lion? Yes, mouse. Perfect. Which has 5 eyes? Bee or butterfly? It's bee. Amazing. Which one is huge? Blue whale or shark? Yes, blue whale. Great job. Who is a small swimmer? Seahorse or whale? It's seahorse. Well done. Which can rotate head? Owl or eagle? Yes, owl. Excellent. Which is big and white? Polar bear or cat? It's polar bear. Perfect. Who is a tiny biter? Mosquito or dog? Yes, mosquito. Incredible. Which is a big farm animal? Cow or hen? It's cow. Great job. Who is a small crawler? Spider or gorilla? Yes, spider. Well done. Which is a big bird? Eagle or robin? It's eagle. Excellent. Who is a small crawler? Worm or snake? Yes, worm. Perfect. Which has long ears? Rabbit or mouse? It's rabbit. Amazing. Which is a big hopper? Kangaroo or frog? Yes, kangaroo. Great job. Who is a tiny flyer? Firefly or parrot? It's firefly. Well done. Which is big and bumpy? Crocodile or lizard? Yes, crocodile. Excellent. Who is a small pet? Goldfish or whale? It's goldfish. Perfect. Which can laugh? Hyena or tiger? Yes, hyena. Incredible. Which is a big walker? Camel or goat? It's camel. Great job. This is a small walker. Termite or bear? Yes, termite. Well done. Which is big and hairy? Gorilla or monkey? It's gorilla. Excellent. Who in a little singer? Cricket or lion? Yes, cricket.